this year's actually, I feel like we hit the inflection point in Europe. As we look at the number of attendees, as we look at the number of companies represented here, as we look at the titles of the attendees, both at the director and vice president level.
When I saw the program for this meeting, I went through it and I took yes, 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 because it's incredibly relevant, everything we've talked about.
The number of people have doubled over last year. We've had more companies represented, and we've had more functions outside of pricing that are present, such as market access, such as finance, such as marketing.
I've made a number of contacts. The sessions so far around governance and compliance have been very helpful too.
The content is definitely useful. It's good to know that other companies are going through the same challenges. We're all going through the same journey. It's important to share these experiences.
So I think the content was a nice balance. I mean, it's my first pricing platform conference, and I found that it was a good balance to have, obviously there's a huge interest in tendering management. I think nearly every participant was eagle-eyed to listen about that and how we're going to manage it going forward, because it's hugely complex. And yeah, but also pricing solutions, international reference pricing. I think the content was great.
I was very interested to see that some of the topics that we've been working on, like tender management and so on, that these are so prevalent. So the participants here today all had some kind of grounding in topics that we've touched, which gives me the confidence that the areas that we are working on and that we've specialized in and focused on are really the hot topics. And it's very interesting to be working with people who are obviously in this field as well.
That's been really valuable from a networking perspective. So not just from the content perspective of the conference, but from being able to meet like-minded individuals, people within pharma who also have suffered the same challenges that we all suffer with decreasing our prices, and how we manage that, what solutions we look to try and manage price management.
It's a really interesting mix of people. Obviously, the focus of many of the delegates is pricing, and they're working in the pricing arena. But they also recognise that pricing isn't in isolation, and that they need to be aware of all of the other activities that are undertaken to bring a drug to market and to then maintain the market share.
I really enjoyed taking part in the conference, and it's great to meet other people who are solving, if you want, the same problem that we are trying to solve, but helping with different aspects of it.
It has been a very welcome opportunity to share knowledge, experience, and also network with pricing experts from the life sciences industry. Considering that we are working in a knowledge-based industry, knowledge is key for future business success.